it's the end of the world and the baby's on his head. It's extremely outside, and we just got him yesterday, and he's about 4 days old, and we put him in a little cage with some straw so he can keep warm. I think right now, hopefully he can see that everyone's their kite, so he can keep him extra warm. And we have him in today, so he will sleep and we don't need to worry. He's in the cage because he's just so young. He can't go in the grass because he can't eat grass and he can't go out there. They're going to freeze